Engrossing facts.
Top number 5 history facts they didn't teach you at school. Fact number 1. In ancient Greece, wearing skirts was manly. In fact, the ancient Greeks viewed trousers as effeminate and would mock any men who wore them. Fact number 2. A singing birthday card has more computer power in it than the entire Allied army of World War II. I bet Hitler, Churchill, Stalin and Roosevelt would have killed to get their hands on one of those cards. The computer chip within them was so powerful by comparison that it would be inconceivable to the leaders of that time how we simply throw them away. Fact number 3. In 1386, a pig was executed in France. There wasn't a great detail of civil rights in the Middle Ages, and as it turns out there weren't a great of animal rights either. One such case happened in Falaise, France, where a pig attacked a child's face who went on to later die from their wounds. The pig was arrested, kept in prison, and then sent to court where it stood trial for murder, was found guilty, and then executed by hanging. Fact number 4. Cleopatra's reign was closer to the moon landings than the Great Pyramid being built. This is one of those facts that gives you some impression of just how expansive the life of the Egyptian Empire truly was. Cleopatra reigned from 51 BC to 30 BC, roughly 2,500 years after the Great Pyramid of Giza was built, between roughly 2580 BC to 2560 BC, and roughly 2,000 years before the first lunar landings in 1969. Fact number 5. Shrapnel is named after its inventor. British Army officer Henry Shrapnel was the first person to invent an anti-personnel shell that could transport a large number of bullets to its target before releasing them. This was all at a far greater distance than current rifle fire at the time. Subscribe the channel, Engrossing Facts, and stay connected.